What is up, guys? It's Scott with Neverhead back for another NFT review, and I think I found a pretty good one today. The Pixel Primates, they just started minting their Phase 1 mint. So I was looking at their website, and it looks like they're going to do this in 3 phases. But first, let's get to their Twitter. So they got 4,373 followers on Twitter. Let me pull up their Discord on my phone. 4,400 members on Discord as well. Let me see when the last chat was sent here from right now. Messages coming in every couple of seconds. So pretty active community here on Discord. There's a lot of good stuff you can find on their Discord if you are inclined to do so. Let's check out their website. And the mint is live, and it looks like we have almost 1,830 primates available to mint on their Phase 1 mint. So the thing that piqued my interest on this is they're going to make a fairly elaborate game out of this once they get through the Phase 3 mint. But before we get to the game, let's get a little background on what Pixel Primates actually are. So the world of Pixel Primates is in turmoil. The planet Primate existed in relative peace until an unknown evil descended. Sensing the impending doom, several thousand heroic primates heed the call to battle. Amidst the panic, the Pixel Primates gear up and prepare for what's to come. So we're going to have 9,000 randomly generated Pixel Primates, and they're going to be scattered around the Ethereum network. Collect and train yours to defend against the invaders. Oh, here we go. Team up and form a party of 3 to face off against an incoming threat. So this is going to be a team-based game, kind of like a little Rumble Kong action here. All right, to improve trust and accountability in Pixel Primates, we are limiting the total number of Pixel Primates that can be minted per phase. We will do phased releases, which will provide the team with time to build the actual game itself, and this may change in the future to better reflect where we are in the development of the game. Now, Phase 1, we're looking at 3,000 Pixel Primates available for mint, and the price is going to be anywhere between 0.02 and 0.045. So right now, I think we are at 0.035 Ethereum. Estimated goal completion date mid-October, so we are right on track for that. And the goals of this are going to be an initial proof of concept for the game. They're going to create a development blog for progress and updates, and they're going to bring on another developer to the project. They're going to hire a community manager for managing the socials and release an NFT collection page on the website reviewing all minted NFTs and accessories. And they're going to increase their marketing efforts and activity on the socials. Now, Phase 2 is going to be the 3,000 to 6,000 primate range. Mint price is going to be up a little higher at the 0.045 ETH. And now, once they complete this, they're going to create an initial version of the game design, which will describe the game's selling points, target audience, gameplay, art, level design, story, characters, UI, assets, and etc. They're going to hire a game design consultant, onboard yet another developer, and they are going to release a feature for training an NFT via staking. So that is another cool thing that they're doing, is they're going to allow you to quote-unquote train your NFT to make you better in the game by staking it. Now, Phase 3 is where things get exciting. So this is going to be the 6,000 to 9,000 primate phase. Now, they're going to form a solid game development team. If you are a sound designer, project manager, QA tester, or a technical writer, I would DM them on Twitter or maybe find them on Discord if you are looking for work. And they're going to create a game studio LLC, and this will dox the team behind the Pixel Primates. So once they get to Phase 3, they're going to actually start developing the Pixel Primates game, develop a custom editor for composing your very own Pixel Primate, and increase marketing efforts and activity on the socials. And then Phase 4 is when they're actually going to be releasing the game. So I wanted to get to the training of the NFT. Training an NFT is a form of staking. They're going to create a smart contract, the Pixel Primates trainer, that will hold your NFTs. There will be an associated gas cost when transferring between the trainer contract and the main Pixel Primates NFT contract. And while the NFT is being held by the Pixel Trainer contract, it will gain experience, which can be used to increase the NFT's base stats level and rarity. So you can increase the value, level, and rarity of your NFT by staking it. And this part is also very interesting. In the near future, you will be able to deconstruct your NFT into multiple parts, and you can mint new accessories. This will provide features for composing your own Pixel Primate, which will allow you to update your NFT by burning your original and their accessories to create a new NFT. And so here's more information on the actual game itself. In the game, you'll manage a virtual base of operation where you can construct buildings, interact with your primates, send them on raids, participate in PvP battles, and things like that. And they want the game to be evolving, a tug of war between the world of Pixel Primates versus the global threat. The community will have to retake areas occupied by the global threat and prevent areas from being captured. Participation in goal events are rewarded in the forms of rare, epic, and legendary items, currency, experience points, fame, and more. So guys, I will link all of their socials in the description below, and you can go check out the Pixel Primates if this is one that interests you. But anyways, guys, that is just about going to do it for this one. So as always, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel for more updates on the Pixel Primates, as well as other NFTs, stocks, and tokens that we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.